May your mornings always be golden. Cookery in Ireland AM brought to you by Kerrygold.
All right, now the Dubai chocolate bar has taken the internet by storm.
Yeah, showing us how to create the viral treat at home, which is dangerous for me, I'll be honest. You're going to show us how to do this today. I mean, I can't open my phone or look online without seeing people trying this.
I know.
And there's different variations. Obviously, you can get really premium, expensive ones, and we're going to make some from the comfort of our own home as well.
Yeah, this comes in all different shapes and sizes, and I have to say that not all Dubai chocolate is created equal. I've tried a few now. And it really, if you're making it at home, it'll only be as good as the chocolate you use, okay? We use both white chocolate and milk chocolate for this. Or if you're not crazy about milk chocolate, you can certainly try it with dark chocolate. I've actually combined a little bit of dark chocolate into this today. But here's the thing. There are a few ingredients in this that make people go, I think I'll give that a pass. One is kataifi pastry, which comes from Greece. Now, this is like phyllo, okay? Because Dubai chocolate has a bit of a crunch to it. Martin, where do you buy your kataifi pastry?
Oh, wherever I can get it.
Yeah,
Your local kataifi pastry shop, of course.
I think not many of us don't know where the heck to get kataifi pastry.
Oh, we'll go to Greece.
The good news is that we can use something which will hold its crunch in the chocolate and give us the same result, and that is shredded wheat.
Right.
All right.
So that's what we're using today.
It's hard to beat shredded wheat.
Also, Dubai chocolate often has tahini in it, which is sesame paste. That's one of the main ingredients in hummus. I have a sesame allergy at home. One of my sons is allergic to sesame. And everybody might not feel like going out and getting tahini. So we're making this today a version without tahini, okay?
Okay,
and instead of making a bar, since we don't all have a chocolate mold at home, I have made truffles. So we're rolling these into little spheres, and we're going to roll them into truffles.
I'm gonna be your assistant here today.
Why not?
Now. I'm gonna put on my surgical gloves just because this might get messy.
The first thing you want to do is take 150 grams of white chocolate. Use a nice one, okay? Just don't use white chocolate chips. And the reason I'm saying that is that white chocolate chips have one other job besides tasting good, and that is to hold their shape. They're not going to melt for you. So use a chocolate bar, break it up, grind it up in a food processor if you can, or you could even use buttons. And then
go on.
We're using 50 mils of full-fat cream. We're going to melt these over the bain-marie and then let it cool for about 10 minutes, okay?
Okay. This is the white chocolate, is it?
That's right. This is a mixture of white chocolate and cream.
Okay,
all right?
And this is obviously, for those that don't know, if you're living under a rock, what the main ingredient in the Dubai chocolate is, this is our pistachios.
Pistachios. So you can buy pistachios already shelled. Okay, that's what I did. We're using raw pistachios. And why don't you give those a whiz for us?
Okay.
You're going to grind these up fine, okay?
Okay.
So they'll be like, sort of like sand, not big chunks.
Okay.
That looks great.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy enough there?
Yep. And go ahead and add that to the white chocolate.
Okay.
And we're going to take, do you have sea salt flakes at home? Those are perfect to use for this.
I'm a big fan.
Flakes rather than iodized salt.
Okay.
If you have them, use them. If not, just add a pinch of salt, okay?
I always find sea salt is an awful lot better than regular salt.
It is.
What's happening to me here now is, you know when you finish making the Rice Krispie buns and you want to lick the bowl? This looks enticing.
I'll give you the bowl when we're done.
Okay, I won't.
Now, the last thing we're going to add is 50 grams of shredded wheat. Okay, now I've broken that up. And
you really have.
I'm going to get stuck in again.
And it's not hard to do. You can just do it with your hands.
Okay, well,
now,
why am I wearing gloves?
If you want these drier, If you want these drier, just add a little bit more shredded wheat to it. Okay. Now,
I think we've nailed it here. This looks absolutely fantastic.
Perfect. Yeah.
Do you know what? This is a nice feeling.
Is it therapeutic?
It is quite therapeutic. I'm enjoying this. I feel relaxed.
You're gonna chill this now for about 2 hours. All right. We're cheating today because we're on TV time.
Yeah.
And once you have your mixture, this looks perfect. Great job.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now, after it's chilled for 2 hours, you're going to roll your truffle mixture into balls, like so, okay?
Okay.
And then once you have them all, you want to give that a go. Here's another pair for you.
Do you know what? Yeah.
That's okay. Actually, you know what I really want you to do? I want you to go taste your chocolate.
Well, I've been waiting for you to say this.
Please go taste your chocolate.
This is what I'm most excited about.
So you're going to roll these up into your balls and then chill them again for at least 10 minutes. You want them nice and firm. Now, choose a nice chocolate to roll them into, okay? Like I said, you can use milk or dark. Traditionally, we use milk chocolate for these. But, you know, I think I used Lindt for yours, which is a really...
Lindt, okay.
Yeah. And dip them into the chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. Roll them around.
What have you got there?
It's just a little dipper.
Did you Yuri Geller a spoon or something?
No. I'm embarrassed to admit that this is what I use to dip my eggs in at Easter when I decorate my Easter.
Okay.
So,
Very notionsy.
but you know what's perfect?
Yeah.
A
Does
fork.
the job, absolutely.
Just use a fork. Okay. Now roll these into your milk, set them aside, and then and you're going to do this again after the balls have chilled for 10 minutes. Okay. Then you're going to chill them again in the fridge after you've rolled the balls. If you feel like it, you can take that sea salt, the sea salt flakes, and just top them with a bit of sea salt flakes on the top, or you can skip this part.
I'm going to go ahead and bite into this bad boy because...
This is you're nearly like, Mom, it's okay if we have...
Yeah, can I try it now?
Yeah, go for it, guys. I want to know what you think. I don't miss the tahini. I've tried them with both.
Right.
With a cup of tea, my goodness,
That's what we're missing.
It's delicious.
You know what? I should have thought of the tea, Martin.
Don't be worrying about the tea. It's
not your fault. It's production.
Eric has a pair of legs and so have I. We can walk out and get our tea.
What do you think? Do you think it's worth the hype?
They're frighteningly easy to make. That's what worrying me. Anyone could do this, but they are delicious.
They really are. And you know what? I can taste the salt, which is
Okay, good.
lovely contrast.
Well, you did take the one on the top with the sea salt flakes on it. Now, not everybody has a chocolate bar mold at home, so there's no reason why you can't roll these into truffles. Just chill them in between the stages so that they're nice and firm.
Yeah, we can get creative.
I'm a happy boy. Are you a happy boy?
I'm a happy boy.
All right. There's lots more to come on Ireland M. Thank you very much, Chris.
My pleasure.
We'll see you back here again soon.
More of these, please.
Yes, please.
May your mornings always be golden. Cookery in Ireland AM brought to you by Kerrygold.